ito yung train station sa Saudi Arabia. Napakaganda. Sulit.
Escalators doon. Ha?
Ganda ng ano nila, station. Yan. Kaway. Aywa. Yan, napakaganda ng lugar. Mabang, King Fahad Library. So Al Muruba Passport Department. National Museum is 2622. Baba na lang natin sa National Museum on the way to Bata. Punta po na kami ng Bata. So from Uleya, sakay ka ng train station, going to train station, then go down to National Museum. Going to Bata. I don't know if you're going for taxi or walking. By walk. Okay, so you can do it by walk. Let's see. Again, we tap the card.
Yes.
Ramir. Okay, we will tap the card. Punta po kami ng Bata. Kasi kami ng Bata. Sa Bata, ito yung kilalang... Ano ba yung Bata? Pamilya ba tawag doon? Soria, o pamilyan. Bata. Comment kayo sa mga taga-Bata dyan. Ba't siya tinawag na Bata? Dito sa Saudi Arabia. 12 years tayo hindi nakapunta rin. Yung kanilang train, yung bicycle. Yan. Yung train station. Nasa naman ang train station. Po tayo sa sa may train station ng Saudi Arabia, train station. So ito yung train station nila rito. So dito. Ito yung kanilang train station.
This is not cheating. In Philippines,
Ito pala yung train station. I see, train station. So ito yung bilihan. Yung makasakay ng train station dito sa Saudi Arabia. Mamaya baka bawal eh. So allowed daw ba lang? Nagtanong muna tayo kung allowed ba ang mag-video dito sa loob ng train station. So ito na yung mga kasama natin. So ayan, mga kasama. So bababa na tayo ng escalator. Tapos diretso tayo. So ito yung information from Alin Mabang, King Fahad Library. So Al Muruba Passport Department. National Museum is 2622. Ayan, 2622 National Museum. Papunta ng Bata. So ayan, Transportation Center o siya. Picture mo na. Picture na lang natin.
Both we are going down. Check the time now.
So yan, ito yung information.
5:30. If it
Okay, baba na tayo. Panibagong hagdan ulit. Dito na po tayo bumaba sa may National Museum. So, yan, National Museum. Ito yung National Museum. Buha tayo ng MRT station sa Al-Bata. Ayan yung staff. National Museum.
it's nice, huh? Not bad.
seems like
Uy.
Looks new, clean.
So yan, kabababa na lang natin sa National Museum on the way to Bata. Punta po na kami ng Bata. So from Uleya, sakay ka ng train station, going to train station, then go down to National Museum. National Museum,
Going to Bata.
going to Bata. I don't know if you're going for taxi or walking.
By walk.
By walk, okay. So you can do it by walk. Let's see. Again, we tap the card.
Yes.
Ramir. Okay, we will tap the card. Ito yung information list. Very nice, very nice.
Come, let's take one selfie.
Take one selfie.
Going now.
Ayan, napakaganda ng lugar. Very nice. Very nice.
Looks
So, ayan,
good.
looks good. Yung ceiling pa lang nila, o pag ano sa taas. Yung ceiling.
Escalator too. Looks nice. Huh?
Ganda ng ano nila, station. Pasya ba? Kaway, kaway. Aywa. Pasya ba? Not recording. You cannot see the wall here.
Yeah, take the one now.
The wall.
But still the quality is nice, but see.
Sit na tayo sa ano, ganda ng train station. Then magtatap na tayo ng card natin dito. Tatap na natin yung card. Let's see, let's tap the card. Oh, so ang galing oh. Tap the card lang. Diba? Ganda. Ganda oh. Tapos yung card natin, sa payment natin. Hello. Hello. Train station.
We have 1 hour.
1 hour for
1 hour? Yes.
So nakapag-exit na po tayo sa Bata.
For every 2 hours, 4 real.
really accepting of course.
But he said if we go back again within 2 hours, khalas. No additional charge.
So ito yung train station sa Saudi Arabia, napakaganda. Very innovative.
There are 4 links. Purple line, red line. We can go all over Riyadh. We can go Bollywood also from here.
Gusto tayo nila. Tayo sa So head din na tayo babata. Ayan, Podium Outlet. Podium Outlet. Tawid na tayo dun sa kabila. May Podium Outlet. Delikado. Mawit sila oh.
Brother, Bata where?
Ito kay Kabayan. Tanong niyo kay Kabayan. Ano kay Kabayan baba? Last
Bata where?